Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of the first video. Some of my community members messaged me and made me aware of the fact that the workflow dashboard was not visible in the prior version of the video. So I am now releasing this part 2 where I will again build the whole workflow and take you through the dashboard of Automa platform and give you a little bit more insight that how the platform works. So basically, this is the dashboard or the builders area where you will be building your workflows. This is the workflow for tab. If I go back, you can see there are different workflows which can be built. Here is a Google search workflow, generate lorem ipsum. In HTML and CSS, we used to generate lorem ipsum to show a mock test in a content area. And here are the shared and local databases. Here are the packages, scheduled workflows, like it is scheduled and executed on a particular interval. The storage area, if you have any database or a table which in which you are storing certain variables or the information you are extracting are stored in a table, then you can export it into different formats. Credentials, variables, there's the table, and this is the general settings tab where you can customize your look and feel. So let's go and quickly build a new workflow. I will call it Google search execute. Here is a normal trigger. This trigger is executed whenever a certain thing is matched. So I will leave it just for now as it is. Now I will scroll and I want to open a new tab. So I will select this new tab and I will edit it. For example, let's go www.google.com and set as an active tab. Cool. This is done. Now I will take this and connect it. Now I will go back and now we need to select the form tab. So I will search for form. Here it is. I will click here. I will edit it and I will go to CSS selector and select an element. By this, you can select a certain element of an area like this. So I will go back again and in this, click on select an element and here it is. If I show you, this is the element which I have selected. Now I will just click on select element and the element is selected here. The CSS area, the text area tab of that Google search field is now selected. And now I will connect this new tab with this form. What is the text field we have selected and what will be the value? For example, let us search some keyword as in Automa platform. It has been done. Now I need to enter the search area so that it can actually search the page. So I need to find a click element. Here you can see take screenshot, browser environment, handle docs or downloads, redo, undo, workflow, parameters, clipboard. These are all the nodes which you can use, record and automate your certain browser routines and actions. Even you can scrape through LinkedIn using this. You can record the LinkedIn logging functionalities and you can then execute this and afterward you can take out and scrape all the information. Let's edit this. Here I will go here and select an element and I will select this element. So I will go and I will show back to you again. Here it is. So click on this and here is a little eye icon. If you hide it, then it won't allow you to select an element. You have to click on this and now it is allowing. You have to click it again. So just go here, select this and select this element again and select element. Now our click element is being selected. So you see the text area is selected. The execution is done. Now I just need to save this and now I need to execute it. So if I execute it, it has to run and open a new Google page. And after opening the new Google page, it has to type in the keyword of that Automa and it will execute the search. Let us go on the Google Chrome so that we can see, and I have executed it and now it will open on the Google page and it will execute it. Hmm. Okay. Here it is. As you can see, if I show you, it took a little bit of time, but it executed. I'm showing you a different look. Sorry. If I show you, here is the keyword. Let's go back here and let us type um, run. Now it is on the Google page and I'm hoping it should type in the word. Loki creates YouTube channel C. So this was the workflow. If I select the element and click on that, then it will enter this here and it will suddenly showcase you the results. This is basically what Automa does. So because in the previous video, I wasn't able to showcase you the actual workflow process because due to some errors, it was hidden on the back screen. So this is the part 2. Hope you would have gained some insights of how the workflow dashboard works, and if there are some mistakes or something else or something you want me to review it again or want me to show you in detail, then let me know in the description, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, see ya, bye bye.